If you've lost sending privileges in Outlook 2026, you can follow these steps to restore them. This guide will help you navigate through the necessary settings to regain your ability to send emails. Step 1. Open Outlook settings. Launch Outlook 2026 and click on the File tab in the top left corner. From the menu, select Options to access the Outlook settings. Step 2. Check Account settings. In the Options window, click on Account settings and then select Account settings again from the drop-down. Here, you will see a list of your email accounts. Step 3. Select the affected account. Identify the email account for which you want to restore sending privileges. Click on it to highlight it, then click on Change to modify the account settings. Step 4. Verify SMTP settings. In the Change Account window, check the outgoing server SMTP settings. Ensure that the server name, port number, and encryption method are correct according to your email provider's specifications. Step 5. Test account settings. After verifying the SMTP settings, click on Test Account Settings. This will check if the settings are correct and if you can send emails. If successful, click Close and then Finish to save your changes. By following these steps, you should be able to restore your sending privileges in Outlook 2026. If issues persist, consider contacting your email provider for further assistance.